This is a simple and fast review of the OLIGHT BatonUltra 1800 lumen EDC flashlight. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, you'll see looks very similar to what the box cover shows you. You'll have a dual clip here, two different ways to clip. You can clip in the front or you can clip on the side here. Power button is going to be something that we're going to need to unscrew this. Not that, we'll unscrew from the middle and get the little tape here that's going to be blocking the charging of the battery. And then we'll push this back in. Note that this will kind of push back on you a little bit, so you may need to kind of be just willing to adjust and push in a little bit as you're screwing this back in. Should be waterproof based on that. Now we have our light. You did see a secondary thing that we can work with here as a simple charging setting. So this will have a charge base that will also work as kind of a simple EDC turn on and adjust. But if I really need to use a USB-C charger, I'll have that. As we get, oh, there we go. This out, we'll see some capabilities here. Definitely check out your instruction manual. I always recommend that, and I rarely read it, so just be aware. You'll have this, which is going to kind of be something you can put on your wall, and it should be magnetic. It is, in fact, but I'm not sure that it's going to do a good enough job of holding. Oh, it's not going to do that well. It's up. Should hold much better once we're down. So this center piece is going to be magnetic, as you can tell. So it'll kind of allow you to put it, on this little thing on your wall. That way it's easily accessible, stuff like that. And then of course you'll have 300 3M tape, and then the bottom part is going to be magnetic as well, and that's going to be my other USB-A charging capability. So two ways to charge this out. We'll have this right here, which is USB-C, and then we'll have this kind of just bottom piece, which will allow me, when closed, to charge on the magnet here. So we're going to go ahead and get this charged up and then walk you through some of the capabilities, but just showing you kind of power-wise. Power is going to usually be on the right-hand side, and so you'll see kind of where we are power-wise. And then on the left-hand side, we'll kind of show power capabilities. So turning it on and off is going to be one thing, but with a double clip, we can turn it brighter. We can hold it down and go into kind of your modes. So it'll go soft, obviously, like moonlight mode, low, medium, high, stuff like that. So there's a couple different ways to do that. And again, you'll have your base, just click on and adjust there. But just simple on, off, hold it in, and it'll go on, off. But if I really want just a one click, it'll stay on. So we'll test this out outside, obviously, but we're going to get it charged up first. Again, utilizing one of the two different methods that you have. So we'll take it from there. So based on a lot of feedback from kind of my videos about flashlights, two things that really always kind of come into question are, what does it look like power wise? What does it, carry capacity? What's all that stuff? But what's the power of the battery? Like, what's the battery length like? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the clock here, and we're going to go to full power, and we're going to leave this thing on as long as we need to. Previous OLIGHT brands have been about 4 hours, so I'll probably check in around then to kind of check what the battery looks like, and we'll go from there. And then the final step is I'll take it outside and we'll show you kind of what the power looks like outside in the dark. But the first step I want to kind of walk you through is how's this battery going to hold up. All right, so this thing died just about a minute ago, completely dead now. So battery, call it 3 minutes and 51 seconds at full blast. So we'll go ahead, recharge it again, and test out the lighting. But still 3 hours 50 minutes on it's not warm, but you can tell it's been running. On a full charge is not bad. I mean, if you're using it for 3 hours, 50 minutes at full blast, then you know, you've obviously only planning on using it that period of time. You could use it on lower if you need longer. So good battery length in my opinion. So we'll recharge it, take it outside, show you what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna just show you. I've got this thing. It's on a low mode right now, and it's still pretty bright. We're gonna turn it up, and you can see just how bright it is. Lights up the area really, really nicely. You kind of see how much it even lightens up the bright areas, but you can see the difference as I kind of go up and down here. You can't really see the shed. Now it's very well lit. So this thing is really awesome, very powerful, does a really nice job. And as mentioned, it's got kind of multiple modes. You know, you've got a lower, medium, and a high, and does a decent job. So that's kind of your moon. Can't really see much here, but it is on, so I'll try and show you against the wall here that it is on. You can actually tell as I hold it. It's not very bright, but it is on. And then of course, just giving you kind of a brighter, really bright, even brightest. So does a really fantastic job overall. Very impressed with this. As mentioned, about 4 hours worth of power on the full mode. So really great job. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you. And thanks for watching.